In today's video, we'll look at how to recover your lost money on Coinbase if you sent it to the wrong chain. And for the sake of respecting your time, I'm going to tell you that generally you don't recover those funds because Coinbase is not going to take responsibility for what is unfortunately your mistake. Now, there is a slight silver lining to this, and it may very well not be applicable to you, but Coinbase does have a tool to recover your crypto. So if you just Google search Coinbase recovery tool, the first option here is what you want to click into, and you'll be brought to this page. What you want to then do is click on asset recovery. I would recommend reading this before you do that though. So that'll bring you to the screen here, and you want to hit continue. And here is where the magic happens. Now, the first thing you want to do is choose your transaction network. And if your transaction network is not here, then unfortunately this method is not applicable to you. Next, you want to get your transaction ID, which you can get inside of Coinbase by just checking the invoice. And now you need to get the receiving Coinbase address. Again, if you were sending it somewhere else that wasn't a Coinbase address, this method is not applicable to you. Now, I do believe this method is not free of charge. You will be charged a fee as well as being charged for the transaction fees. And that's all I have for you today. Sorry for the possibly bad news. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.